Monday, October 20th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here along with you, back with you here after some time away from the weather office last week, and we have some great October weather on the way pretty much all week long. Let me show you what it looks like from a couple of the web cameras across the region. On the left, that's the Avalon Pier web camera from the North Carolina Outer Banks. On the right, the Beech Mountain Parkway cam from resortcams.com. 55 there at Kill Devil Hills and 48 degrees top Beech Mountain at 5:30 this morning. It's a beautiful fall photo from yesterday up in the high country from Skip Sickler, and a lot of the fall color at its peak right now in many mountain spots. Now the highest elevations are past peak now this week, but many mountain spots with some excellent color to enjoy as we go through the course of this week, and plenty of great weather to enjoy it if you want to head up that way as well. Had some relatively cool Sunday conditions out there around the region, 72 the high in Columbia, but once you got up into North Carolina, it was mainly 60s all across the region yesterday afternoon. Similar temperatures on the way for today. Here's a look at our temperatures again at 5:30 this morning. Pretty chilly. There's some outlying spots in the Triad, Triangle, and Charlotte viewing areas that have dipped down into the 30s early this morning. 34 degrees in Boone, 43 in Raleigh. Overall setup's a pretty quiet one today. Cold front off to the north and west of us. That'll slide in very late tonight. A little band of some showers, or not really a band, but some broken areas of a few showers there from the Great Lakes down to the Ozarks just ahead of that front. And we might see at best a sprinkle or two tonight, but that's going to be about it. Very quiet scan on the radar now. Let me go up to the northwest here, and you'll see a few of those showers there in parts, again, of the Great Lakes region, Ohio Valley down toward the Ozarks, but certainly nothing at all that's very significant early this morning. All right, watch what happens with the upper level pattern as we go through the next few days. It'll buckle. There'll be a closed upper air low that forms over the mid-Atlantic region, and that means we're going to be having relatively cool conditions this week here across our neck of the woods. This is the overall surface map today. Your cold front marching in from the northwest. A few clouds with that as we go through late afternoon and tonight, and again maybe one or two overnight sprinkles, but that is going to be about it. Your high temperatures across the region today, upper 60s and lower 70s. You hit some mid 70s down along the coastal parts of North Carolina around Wilmington and down into South Carolina. Tomorrow, cold front off to the south of us, or at least pushing off to the south of us. Tomorrow maybe a few degrees warmer in most spots. There's your Tuesday highs, but then the cooler, quiet air mass really settling in across the region Wednesday, and here's your Wednesday highs way down into the mid-60s in many spots across the Piedmont of North Carolina, maybe only 49 Wednesday afternoon up in Boone. Tropics, pretty quiet. Now, of course, had that big hurricane out in the Atlantic last week. This week, we're starting off with a little tropical disturbance down in the southernmost Gulf of Mexico around the Bay of Campeche. There's at least a small chance that could try to slowly develop this week as it lifts generally northeastward, and we'll keep a watch on that. Otherwise, the Caribbean Sea and most of the Atlantic Ocean, very quiet overall. All right, that is it for today's edition of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.